Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Patel Dame here. So we're going to convert the viruses and bacterial sizes from nanometers and micrometers, over to regular meters. So I'm going to use the Mimi virus as my example. My niece and nephew call me Mimi, so I thought that was super cute. Who knows what that virus actually does? It could be very lethal, as many viruses are. So we know that it's 400 nanometers. So we're going to convert that over to an unknown number of meters. We use table C to help us. So table C is on your Regents reference table. We come on over here to nano, and it's it's 10 to the negative ninth. So we know that 400 nanometers is equal to 400 times 10 to the negative ninth meters. Now this is not a proper way to show scientific notation. Instead, with scientific notation, your decimal point should be right here, between the first and the second digit. So we're going to show it first to you in expanded, and then we will move it over to scientific. So the expanded form, and let me get rid of this so that way that doesn't confuse you. The expanded form, we're going to take that 400 and move the decimal place over 9 times, or 9 spaces. We know it's negative, so we're going to move the decimal place over to the left. So right now, this is where the decimal place lives. We're going to move it over to the left-hand side 9 times. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Put a decimal point in there, and we'll put a 0 in front. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros in there. So to clean this up a little bit more, it's 0 point, and don't forget that first little 0. It's super important to have that in there. And then we said we had 6 other zeros after that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 400. So that's how many meters there are. That's how many meters this Mimi virus is. It's really teeny tiny. Hey, I guess it's like me. Now we're going to convert that over to scientific notation. So we have, again, we want it to land between the first and second digit, so pretty much right after the 4. So we know it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we know in scientific notation it's 4.00 times 10 to the negative 7th meters. You can also, of course, if you saw that this is 4.00 times 10 to the times 10 to the 2, we actually end up adding the exponents in order whenever we subtract a number. So we want to make sure that we go ahead and convert that over. So we know that this would have been 4.00 times 10 to the negative 7th meters. And that's what you put in here. When it comes to exponents in OneNote, I'm also learning that as well. So I think that even if you just type it in and do times 10 and then like a negative 7, for example, I know that that negative 7 should be an exponent. So we can kind of work on that one together. Let me know if you have any questions, but take care. Have a good day.